Welcome to this incredible backyard transformation. What once was a simple green lawn has now been reimagined into a luxurious outdoor retreat. When we first saw this space, it was clear there was huge potential, but it lacked the amenities and charm to truly make it a place where memories could be made. Our goal was to create an inviting atmosphere that combines elegance, comfort, and functionality. Here, we have a spacious backyard with a well-kept lawn and plenty of room to work with. However, the area was underutilized and missing key features that would enhance outdoor living. And here is the stunning result. By introducing a beautifully designed pool area, a hot tub, and a cozy pergola space, we've turned this backyard into a private oasis. The centerpiece is this uniquely shaped swimming pool. Its curved design blends seamlessly into the landscape, creating both visual interest and a perfect spot to cool off during warm days. Adjacent to the pool is a circular hot tub, ideal for relaxing in the evenings or after a long day. A spacious patio surrounds the pool, made from elegant stone pavers that provide durability and style. Comfortable sun loungers line the poolside, offering a perfect place to soak up the sun. The pergola area includes a warm fireplace, inviting seating, and a bar with stools, making it the perfect spot for entertaining guests or enjoying quiet moments. Finally, the entire area is framed by lush landscaping, with a variety of plants and flowers adding color and vibrancy. Thanks for watching this incredible backyard transformation. If you're inspired by this project or have questions about creating your own outdoor oasis, please leave a comment or reach out. Don't forget to like and share this video for more amazing backyard design content.